Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So three puzzles remain: the binary puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this one, the four stars Sudoku number 8902. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 24, this one has. Yeah, this Four Stars Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, 3 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours, 4 fives. Well. 1 2 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 nines. So the fives are in majority. Can I start with the 5? No. Why not? Not true. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. I need to wait. How about the 8 in this row? 8 in the second row, so in the third row. Only place left with 8 should be there. 4, 4, 5, 5. Need a 9. And I need a 6 here. 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7. Need a 6 here also. We have a pair, the 1 and the 6 in this column, the 1 and the 6 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes at there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this third row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in the third row. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in the third row for the must. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the must. 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 2 and 3. Alright. Okay. Let me continue. Seven. 1, 1. Need a 1 here or there. Need a 1 here or there. 1, 1, 1. Yeah. 8, 8. Well. 3 here. Yeah. You 5 here. Come on. Well, we have a pair. The 5 and the 6 in this third row, 5 and the 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And I need a 7 here. 7 in this row. 7 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So in the row between the second row. Only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 3. So 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing, I believe the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, and look with 2 and a 9 in this column. No 2 and 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those two boxes. So 1 digit left. Should be the 1 here. Let me drink something. All right. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 4, 6, and 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in this row, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be here then. 6, need a 6 here. We have a 6 there. That means we need a 6 in the middle column. Here or there, we see another 6. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Okay. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next to the last column. Only place level 6 should be there. Well, mark those two boxes over the 6. We have a 6 now in the middle row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here then. Need a 6 here. Alright. Here, 2 numbers left, the 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. What are these? 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 3, need a 3 there. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. 2, 9, and 4 is missing here. I need a 4 here. Well. I need a 1 here. Could be here, could be there. Here should be also a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 2, 2. 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 7 here. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 3 and a 7 are left. Alright. Seven. Yeah. Need 6 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be here then. So the 4 and the 9 are left. Alright, and now need a 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7. And I need an 8 here. Well, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. Overlooked. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here, or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 in that row, no 6 there, only place left for the 6 should be there. We have a pair, the 1 and the 5 in this column, the 1 and the 5 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in the middle column are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in one of those boxes in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we have 3 in this last row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here should be also 4 and 8. Alright. So we have, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. So the 4, the 1 is missing. 2 is missing also. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, 2 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. So the 4 and the 8 are left. Let me mark those. So I need a 9 here. Well. 4, 8, and then need a 9 here. Yeah, I need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. So the 4 and the 8 are left here. Okay, 3, 7, 2, 3. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 and 7, we have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Yeah. 2 and 3, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and a 9. Here should be also 4 and a 9. Well, 7 and a 9 are left here. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 4 or a 9. We have a 9 in the third column. So this box should be a 4. 4 or an 8. We have a 4 here in this big square. So this box should be an 8. 4 or an 8. We have an 8 here. So this box should be a 4. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in this box. So this can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square. I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 to 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 4 or an 8. We have a 4 here. So this box should be an 8. 5 and a 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 5 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. Oh, overlook this 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. Well, overlooked. Anyway, we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.